Fresh from the fields of Adana, this corn is arriving at the region's largest and oldest food processing unit. Here it will be converted into dozens of different products.
We are collecting corn from all of Anatolia, and we are crushing corn to produce many different sectors, from food sector to daily used hygiene products, to cosmetics, and even cement that you are right now standing on.
From stripping and milling the corn to processing it, operations at this factory require lots of energy. And the company has invested $5 million to build its own power plant. Officials say a cheap and plentiful supply from the national grid would help them save millions more and focus on their core business.
Production of electricity is not our main business. We need to source cheaper, more reliable energy from outside to focus our energy on not on electricity building but on our production.
To facilitate businesses like this food processing unit, the government is investing $20 billion to boost electricity generation. The government is building the country's first nuclear power plant in Mersin. When complete, it will produce 4,800 megawatts of electricity, meeting up to 10% of the country's energy needs. It will also cut its dependence on oil and gas imports. Work on the site began in 2018, and many of the auxiliary facilities have already been built. On Wednesday, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin will kick off the construction of the third of 4 nuclear reactors. Officials say the project is already driving employment in the region, even though it's not yet up and running.
Around 8,000 people are working in the construction zone of the Akkuyu nuclear power plant. Around 80% of these workers are Turkish nationals.
The first nuclear reactor is expected to begin generating electricity by 2023. And in another 3 years, all 4 reactors will be fully operational. Sonar Group expects its electricity demand to more than double by then. And many other local companies are also looking to the Akkuyu nuclear power plant to help grow their businesses. Mubin Nasser, TRT World, Adana.